Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video we'll learn how to install and use VirtualBox on Windows 10. So first thing we should know, what is VirtualBox? A VirtualBox or maybe is a software virtualization package that installs on an operating system as an application. VirtualBox allows additional operating system to be installed on it as a guest OS and run in a virtual environment. VirtualBox was the most popular virtualization software application. Supported operating systems include Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Mac OS X, Linux, Solaris, and another operating system. So now we will install it on our operating system. So firstly open your favorite web browser and type in search bar virtualbox.org. So it's official site for virtualbox.org, and you will see this interface. This is the current version 5.2. Simple. For install the VirtualBox on your system, click on downloads. Here is the different packages. Select as your requirement. I will select Windows host. Click on save. After download complete, you will see icon on desktop. Double click on icon. Click on install anyway. Now you will see welcome to the Oracle VM VirtualBox 5.2.10 setup wizard. Click on next. Here leave the default. If you want to change the location, so you can change from here. I will leave all the setup settings as a default and click on next. Click on next and read this warning. Network interface. Installing the Oracle VM Virtual Machine 5.2.10 networking feature will reset your network connection and temporarily disconnect you from the network. Click on yes. Now click on install. Would you like to install this device software? Click on install. After installation is complete, click on finish. After opening the VirtualBox, you will see this interface. So if you want to install any new operating system, so click on new and select the file name, select the type and select the version. So like this in type, here the Linux, IBM, Mac OS and other, and here all the version. So in Windows 10, Windows XP, Windows Vista and Windows 2008. So friends, by this easy method you can install VirtualBox on your operating system. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.